Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to embed the pictures into your Google Docs file. So how to do that, we need to open the Google Docs application on our iPhone, and the next thing we need to do is just open the files or the documents, and the next thing we need to do is just go click this pencil buttons to edit it, scrolling down and find the part that you want to embed the picture. So let's say I want to put the pictures right here, so you just need to go click the boxes here until you got this cursor, and you just need to like have a movement by scrolling up a little bit so that you will get this information, and then you just need to go click this plus button, go click this image and pick the from photos if you already have this image on your photo library. But if you want to take the picture right away with your camera, just go click the second one. And here I already prepared the picture on my photo library, so I'll let you click this, and the next thing you need to do is just go click the clip or the photo and go click add, and you just need to go click continue to confirm it, and here is the result. And whenever you're done, or if you want to adjust in it, you just need to go click it and just like click and drag it into the specific part. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button on the top side, like that, here, and you're done. So that is the way how to put the image on your Google Docs files here. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will let you see you for the next tutorial.